Say welcome to the vlog.
Get out and look.
Okay, I will look. Hello, guy.
Is that safe to touch and hold?
No, he won't let you hold him. He just looked at us. He turned his head to look at us. He smiled for the camera. Smile. Oh my gosh, Journey, are you so excited?
Is that Halloween now?
Not yet, but it's coming.
Is it really?
She wants to go see this, Dad. I don't know. Maybe it don't work.
Can you get me out?
I don't see no buttons. I don't know if he's got buttons. His eyes glow. Oh.
I just want to grab him and see if he'll fall down.
He said, let's get this celebration started. Are you so excited?
Decorations.
Oh, I think that...
Look at his back. Look at his butt. You see that?
Oh, I want this. Joanne's. Hi guys, so it is almost 2 o'clock. I just finished one shirt. I'm about to start another one. And then I think there's probably 2 more in a sample. So I'll show you guys what I picked up. I went to Joann's for Tender Touch because there was a 50% off coupon. So yeah, here's my bag. Oh my gosh, my bag. So I went to get the old Tender Touch. I'm almost out. When I get more money, I need to really stock up. But like I told my husband, I was like, I really don't have the money to buy it, but I need it. So yeah. And then fabric was on sale, but I refrained. I don't need any fabric. So the whole time Danny was here as well, like I only bought, you know, minimal, like just, you know, minimal fabrics. Like the amount of money, because I bought like end of the bolts and like everything was like, I spent like probably total on fabric when Danny was here, I probably spent under 20, yeah, probably under 20, maybe $25. I don't know. But there's a design. So I have some designs I want to do. I already did a couple of them. And then I'm going to, I asked earlier if she wanted one and she said yes. So I got her a black shirt to make it on. It's a Halloween design. So instead of me putting, you know, doing a sample on just like a shirt for, you know, like a size we won't use or a scrap piece, you know what I mean? I'm gonna make it for her. I asked her if she'd wear it. She said she would. We'll see about that. There's also one design I want to make for myself, and so I went ahead and got this. They only had extra large in this one. I wear like large, but I told my husband, I was like, it's a Gildan. They shrink, and you know, sometimes it's good to have a little bit of a bigger shirt. So I got that, and then I also got me, they did have large in the black, so I got me a black one. They were on sale, 3 for $12, so, but these are gonna be all be samples. So I'm gonna put them up there for right now. I'm hoping I can get Shirley's done today. So I'm gonna try to breeze through these next few orders that I want to get done. So I'm like, this one right here that I'm working on is due to ship out like the 15th, I think. So I do have 3 ribbon trims, and one is a rush order, but they did 5-day processing. They need it by the 20th or something. So I know they'll get it. The plan is I'm going to probably cut my ribbon trims this evening. Well, you know, we're going to go out to dinner like we always do, because it is Friday. And then tomorrow I'll probably just work on ribbon trims. Like, we don't have any plans. I don't think my husband has any plans, so I'll probably just work and try to get those 3 ribbon trims done. And then on Sunday I'll make the shirt. I think Sunday there'll probably just be one, and that'll be that shirt for the rush order, unless I make it tomorrow. But other than that, I'm like, I told my husband, I was like, I kind of like working second shift, because that's what I'm technically doing. Like, he goes to work, he usually has to be to work at 2, but he goes in early all the time. Like, almost every day he goes in like 1. Like, he's already been to work probably at least an hour now. So I fed the girls lunch. First we went to Sam's. Oh my gosh, wasn't Journey so cute? Like, she has always been obsessed with Halloween. I don't know if it's just because her birthday is October 21st, and like, you know, she just associates it like birthday, and that's why she loves it. But she has always been obsessed with like Halloween things, just Pennywise. She wanted to be Pennywise for Halloween. Yeah, she's just really in, like, for her birthday she wanted like the skulls, 3, like, they're by our stairs right now. Like, when you come down the steps there's a little ledge, and that's where we have it sitting. 3 like skulls that she wanted for her birthday one year. She's had a spooky birthday party, which again, I asked her this year, I was like, what kind of birthday do you want? And she was like, she was just rattling off like some things. I want a SpongeBob birthday. I'm like, girl, you haven't even watched SpongeBob. And so then, like, a little while later, she's like, I want a spooky birthday. And I was like, oh, you've already had a spooky birthday, but if you want another one, we can do it. So, I don't know. She's like bugs. She's like spooky things. So, I don't know. But, yeah, when we first walked into Sam, she was like, Halloween! And I was like, oh. She's like, is it Halloween? Oh my gosh, Journey, are you so excited?
Is it Halloween now?
Not yet, but it's coming. So I'm left until my husband, she wants to go see this, Dad. And then we'll go out to dinner, and then after we get back, I might go ahead and cut those ribbon trims. If I don't, no big deal. I'll just cut them tomorrow before I make them, and then hopefully get all 3 of them done. That way they're off my list and I don't have to worry about them. And then I will continue with this working, like doing this. On Monday, I do have a meeting though. I have a meeting it's for, you know. So I have to do that Monday. I think it was at 11. So I think if I just kind of wait, maybe I'll work. Maybe I'll work and then do the meeting. I don't know. We'll see. And then, you know, the earlier I get down, the more I can work on, like, samples and stuff. And, yeah. So, I need to get to work. 2 o'clock. dinner. We're gonna eat at Cracker Barrel. Who's excited? Hey, that's my shoe. What are you gonna get? Hot sauce.
Hot dog.
I thought you were getting hamburgers. They don't have hot dogs.
They don't have hot dogs.
Because, girl, look at my shirt. That's why. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, that's so cute. I need those in my life. Oh my goodness, look how cute that is. Look how cute that is.
Come on,
Can we hold this?
Y'all go look, I got it.
Oh, never mind.
Is that what you had to see?
No, Sterling went in.
Do you know that
Knocked on her. So we went to Walmart and we found a bunch of like summer clearance for $1. We got pool floats. We got those little squirty things for 15 cents. Everything. Woo! Bug flew in my eye. Everything I bought came out to like $10. We even got a bubble blower. Shoot, I should have saw what kind of batteries that thing takes.
Yeah. We got batteries for it. Look.
Alright.
So beautiful, baby. Watch your head.
Okay, when it's in.
Get. What does it got in it? This thing was $2, so it's a bag with some goggles, a snorkel, and some flippers, and a bag. Y'all, it's past my bedtime. I was gonna cut ribbon trims when I got home, but I don't think I am.
You what?
I was gonna cut ribbon trims when I got home, but I don't think I am. How long
we've been here? We've been sitting still for 25 minutes.
Why are we still?
Because there was an accident, baby.
Where?
Up the road a little bit.
But I haven't heard any signs.
10:03. We're still in traffic. Evan called and checked on us. But here we are. Hope everybody's okay.
Here comes some help right here.
Oh, he's gonna go
He's
help.
gonna walk down there and help him.
You're gonna go help him out. There's another one going to help.
That's probably...
We're moving. Hey, don't cause another accident. Our lights aren't on, are they?
And then people say, yeah, come on down here and pick me up.
Yeah.
Where did it? I mean, it had to been right there.
Yeah.
And I don't even see no...
Right. Finally.
Y'all ain't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.